Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Today we are going to see day number 17 of our 60 days live trading campaign, and the quote for today is: the key to trading success is emotional discipline. If intelligence were the key, there would be a lot more people making money trading. You also would have wondered that there are many people who are very intelligent, who are very smart, and they are very good at their academics. There are many CAs and there are many IAS officers, many people those are good at their studies, but then they're not able to be successful in trading because it's more about emotional discipline. Okay, the same strategy will be making profit for one person, but it will be making loss for other person. It all depends on emotional discipline. So this is what something which you all have to learn. And in case if you would have tracked my journey, how I'm this is the reason, one among the major reason for me to show this live trading video, to track the performances, to just show how the journey of a trader is, how the life of a trader is. That is the reason why we are doing this 60 days campaign. How we control our emotions, how we control our money, how we manages our money, and all those things is what you have to learn. Okay, so let us look into today's video, live trading video. The stock selected was Reliance Industry, and it was clear cut ranging. It was not even going top or not even going down, and we waited for a long time for the stock to reach our levels itself today. We waited because the market was ranging from the morning till evening. Okay, so even we did not get our targets fully because the market was ranging and it only gave us partial profit today. But never mind, whatever profit has come, we have to accept it. And so this is how we have placed our sell order, and then immediately we have to place our buy order also, and the level for buy was 1230. Friends, level is not important here. We have to find whether the stock is trending or whether the stock is ranging. So this is what we have to find majorly, and once if we find that the stock is trending, then we will be buying out the breakout. Matlab, we have to buy at the high price and we have to sell at the low price. So that is called as the breakout. In case if you find out that the stock is ranging, then we will be buying in. So it will be like we have to sell at the high and buy at the low. Okay, so you can see this is a profit we did for today. It was done partially, it was not done fully. We got profit of 1170. You can see the sell average price was 1236 and it has moved a little, 1230.15. so let us quickly update into our profit sheet. It is day number 17th on 28th. As you all know that we are posting one day after the trade because video is recorded in the night. Okay, so the profit is 110. Yes, so we have done almost 11,375 out of 17 trading days, and we have completed month of February. As you can see, we started in the second week of February, that is from 6th February we started. Never mind, but still we made close to 20% returns, which is good enough, fair enough. Even if you take out the brokerages and all those things also, the amount is fair enough to get in every month. You will not get it in any FD or any saving banks or any guaranteed investments, but in this you saw it is so simple, so risk free, perfect money management, perfect discipline, no diversion, nothing else. We are just following the trend, identifying the trend, whether it is ranging or trending, accordingly trading, nothing else. Okay friends, so last but not the least, a quick update. The trading platform which I used for today was Upstock. It's very good for working people. You'll be getting notifications once the trade gets triggered. Then it has also got bracket orders for commodities as well, and very good trading platform. And they have come out with the offer that in case if you open account from now till 7th of March, it will be completely free. It will be a free demat account, so there is no opening charges. So make use of the offer, make use of the opportunity, and in case if you open Upstock with the link provided in the description of my video, then you will be getting 50% discount on my trainings. So in case if you want mentorship or training from my side, any support from my side, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095876525. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.